For today's video, I will show you how to put a picture behind a post on Instagram story. So let's begin. So the first thing we need to do is to simply log into our Instagram account. So you can do this by your mobile device or simply go here at instagram.com and log in using your credential. And once you've done that, we go here at a website called later.com. So I've tried my best to scour the internet on how to simply put a picture behind a post on an Instagram story the safest and the quickest way. So I found it here at later.com. So if you ever wondered how to add an aesthetic background to your Instagram stories, well, this is a simple hack from later.com. So I suggest you go here as well. All right. And they simply tested this trick. Actually, I've done this trick as well when I found this one, and I confirm this is the most up-to-date way to add a background to your stories, right? So here's the simple way. First thing is, take a screenshot, all right? If you're still following, on your mobile device, start by sharing a post from your feed to your story. And of course, they recommend making the background white to make sure this next step makes it cleaner. And next is you'll want to take a screenshot of the photo you reshared and carefully crop the image to only display the post itself. All right. And if you're still following, add the screenshot as a sticker. And of course, and then go back to your story and increase the size of the reshared clickable post so it completely covers the screen. All right. Now press on the sticker option on the top of the screen and then tap the photo sticker. You need to add your background photo and use your fingers to make it bigger so that it takes up to the whole screen, covering the clickable reshare. And then tap on the photo sticker again and select the screenshot you created, the photo, the clickable post, center it on the image, and it's as simple, right? The only thing with this hack is that your followers may not know it's a clickable post, alright? Since it may not have the typical reshare look and feel. So you'll want to add an eye-catching call to action on your stories because you encourage your followers to click your post with GIFs or text and writing something like tap here on top of the screenshot image, alright? Again, this helps make it extra clear that the image will be clickable for your followers, alright? So there you have it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. With a simple screenshot, you can have an aesthetic story design that will get you more eyes and clicks on your post.